Now we're going to change the capacitor in this flash, and I put a 2.2k resistor across the probes of the meter, and we want to discharge. So when we put it across our flash capacitor, we touch it on there like that and we can discharge it. But this is on the ohm scale, so we'll just switch that to the volt scale. 400 volts. Put it across there, you can see there's no volts. Now, for a demonstration, the flash is charged. Alright, we turn it off. And because the circuit for the discharge is still in there, it still holds the charge inside. See the neon light still running. Oh, I just discharged it. Oh, well, there'll still be some charge in it. So there's our capacitor. By putting our probes across these two, we watch the voltmeter. You can see the volts draining away. Alright, that means it's fully discharged. Now it's safe. Right, we're going to replace the capacitor with a 1/3 the size capacitor, 110 UF, 320 volts. This one here, we'll just take the leads off. And it's 240 UF, 330 volts. So the capacitance is a bit less than half. So we're at 110. solder the wires here to the black one. If you get these the wrong way around, the capacitor will blow up. So you're going to make sure it's right. Right way around. Cut off the excess wire. I'm going to bend that over the top. I'm going to bend that one over the top. I'm going to stick a bit of tape around those. Electrical tape. Going to stick a piece of foam back on there. That's just to take up the extra space. Put a bit of tape around that. Put it back in the hole. Alright, and then the final bit is here's a neon. You want to remove that neon. Just wiggle it a bit, it'll fall off. Use some side cutters, but it just comes off like that. We don't want that one. That's causing extra discharge. We don't want to discharge. Alright. Gets down in there, that sits in there. Without that extra capacitor packing, the board moves. So you need that there. Now that's all back together. We slide this in. We put the lens cover back on. Tighten up the screws. Back together, put the batteries in.